Quite some poster, eh? If I looked like that, I would have pursued a more dishonest path myself. I happen to know that feller is farming the swamp, or trying to, up by Siltwater Strand. Hello again, sir. He's a bad egg. Fancy that. I seen him coming and going here, and I never had an inkling.
Enough to start you drank. Well, thank you. Really. Okay, girl.
Trying to get blood from a stone.
I like
Move out of the darn way!
Can I help you? Yeah, you good, girl? There. Yeah. There, girl. You all right, girl? Yeah.
We ain't going till you get this right.
I can't, Daddy, please.
Let him in. He's been trying for hours.
He ain't no kind of man till he can get on a horse. Don't shoot. I'm unarmed. We knew you was coming. I got something to ask. I'm a changed man, okay? Let me say my farewells. I'll come away peaceable.
Make it quick.
You're a forgiving man. Boy, come here. Listen. Exactly as I say. You hear?
Don't
I ain't gonna fight you in front of my family, okay? It's like that, is it? Get the boy out of here.
Johnson! What? Just, you're real quiet back there. Most captured men, they beg or they cry or they rail against fate. That son of a bitch! Come back, you little snake!
I don't want to hang.
I'll do these tighter this time. How's that? Now, I'm just gonna check your pockets. Here we go. Now what was the point in all that? Could have got your neck broke. Bring... Sure. Oh, no! No more games, all right? I think that's all your friends, ain't it? You shouldn't have done that. And now look what's happened. Dead because of you. Damn it. I knew you was being quiet. Come on, girl. Yeah, that's my girl. You're all right now, girl. Hold on. Won't be long till we're in Rhodes. This is Rhodes. You're almost shot of me.
I'm ready. I hope they make it quick.
All right, let's go. Found this feller on a small holding. Name's Mark Johnson.
You can only run so long, son. There's your cell. You're lucky it's not a grave.
I was out in the bayou. Wasn't hurting no one.
Maybe you weren't, but those partners of yours were a rough bunch.
Go to hell.
That's the price for Johnson.
I didn't take it, someone else would have.
You tell yourself that, bounty hunter. You ain't whiter than white. I hope your past catches up with you.
Should be something else going up in the station in a little while. Keep an eye out.
Don't you believe in redemption? I worked the land, I raised a family, I redeemed myself. Please!
You'll find redemption in a chain gang, or on the end of a rope, that's all.
I swear I'm a good man now, Sheriff. I got a son.
You ran, and you kept running. Don't twist this any other way.